mobile Wi-Fi hotspot not working on your laptop or computer, or connecting or not connecting to the internet. How to get solution of this? What to do if your mobile Wi-Fi hotspot internet is not working on your laptop? Like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Today we gonna solve this problem, and I'm requesting you, don't forget to comment down below if you get successful in this. Let's begin the video. This is the thumbnail for the video, and I am going to my mobile phone. What you have to do, you have to go to the hotspot option. Go there, 1 second, and switch on your hotspot, and after that set up hotspot, and over there just add anything. I mean, I am adding 5G. Add 5G and change the password if you want to change, and if you want to remove the password, you can remove the password. If you want, you can choose none, otherwise choose this one. Save this, and after that, voila, your Wi-Fi hotspot is on. Go to the laptop's computer's Wi-Fi, search over there, you will find your Wi-Fi over there. Connect on that using the internet. Sorry, I was showing something like this. Wi-Fi, check for the Wi-Fi, connect on it using the password, and you will surely definitely get connected to the internet. Otherwise you can change the band, 5 gigahertz, 2.5 gigahertz, anyone. Like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon for get more video like this. We have already few videos regarding this. You can check it out on our I button and description. And if you get succeed, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment down below. Bye bye for now.